everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well today. We are doing just fine over here. Today I wanted to hop on here and share with you a recipe that my husband found on TikTok. Yellow rice. If you like to make homemade Greek, then this recipe is definitely for you. Again, I will leave the full recipe in the description box below for you to take a look at. I did this in our new Instant Pot, but you can definitely do this in just a regular pot. It will come out just as delicious and fluffy. Alright, so that's all that I have for you all today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and share with someone you know who might enjoy as well.